Hi creative friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, the Thrifty Chica. Today we're going to be talking about a brand new mystery box from Cricut. This one is called the Aloha Mystery Box and it's chock full of a bunch of fun, beautiful colors. So let's get started. The first item in this mystery box is a Cricut Cutie in the color Peacock. So Peacock is a re-release of a color from July of 2021, I believe. Just a beautiful color. So if you don't have this one in your collection, or you just want an extra cute little cutie to add to your collection, this is a great one to pick up. This mystery box is $133.40 of value, and it's available for $59.99. The next item is Cricut's glitter gel pens. This is a 5-count in the neon set. If you haven't tried Cricut's glitter gel pens, they're really beautiful and they work great. So I love these. They add a special little touch whenever I'm working on something like cards, or if I'm drawing a picture with my machine, it just adds a little pop to it. Also included are Cricut's Infusible Ink pens, and these are a set of the neon ones. The pens work in the Explore series machines as well as the Maker series, so you can use the glitter gel pens and these neon Infusible Ink pens. Infusible ink is activated by heat, by the way. Also included is Cricut's Strong Bond Foil Iron-On in the color Royal Blue, so you can see how beautiful that is. Perfect for adding a little spice to a project. There is some Sportflex Iron-On in the color Orange, and this is awesome if you want to use it on something that is athletic wear or has the same type of material as athletic wear, and this is a matte orange. The next item is this permanent glossy vinyl. This is in the color light blue. Such a pretty color for this Aloha mystery box. Also, a Kelly green in the same material is included, so really beautiful to pair together. There's removable matte vinyl in the color Fuchsia, just a nice, vibrant, pretty color. And a set of removable vinyl in matte. This is the tropical sampler, so it's got 6 different sheets of each different color here, so you can make a ton of different projects or just kind of coordinate and play around with it. And last but not least is Cricut's permanent glossy vinyl in the color Pink Pearl. This one's really lovely, nice light pink on that one. So remember, if you want to pick up all of this, you can check out the link in the description box, or you can check out the pinned comment and it'll have my coupon code in case there's anything else you want to get with your mystery box. It doesn't work with the mystery box, but it does work on other associated items, and there's a ton of stuff on sale on Cricut's site right now. So it's a great time to pick up things if you need anything. So check it out, and I think this is such a fun box. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you later.